Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the difference between globe and map. So let's start. First difference is a globe is a round model of Earth. A map is a flat drawing of Earth. Second difference is it shows all the countries, continents, and oceans in a smaller 3D shape, just like a ball. It shows places like roads, cities, mountains, and rivers on a piece of paper or screen. We can turn or spin a globe to see different parts of the world. We cannot turn or spin the map. Globes are harder to carry. Maps are portable and easy to use. Globes are good for understanding the Earth's shape. Maps are good for finding specific places. Thanks for watching.